Well, hey, what's up, you guys? Guess what time it is? Well, yes, of course, it is time to take this off again. I honestly really love this makeup, but also, I can't wait to get it off my face. It took so long to put on, hopefully it takes less to take it off. You know, I used to love eggs before I started this makeup. Now I think I hate them. I mean, I hate how good they made this makeup look. Broken doll? No, it's broken spirit because I'm so tired. This one is stuck to my eye. It hurts. Lashes. And of course, I can't leave you guys without the nightmare fuel. I'm gonna go shower now. Oh my god, I can't see. I got paint in my eyes. Well, hey, what's up, you guys? Guess what time it is? Well, yes, of course, it is time to take this off again. I got a brand new white sheet dirty for this look, and I don't know if it was even worth it. I also can't see anything, and I'm dropping things. Let's start by taking the contacts out so that I could see again. I'm definitely getting paint in my eyes and on the contacts, but that's fine. That's a later me problem. You guys, I think I messed up. My hair is frozen solid. Listen. Is that normal? That's not normal. Is it gonna wash out? Like, that's a later me problem. There's really not much to take off here, but I'm thinking I want to do a makeup print. I clearly can't speak when I'm doing the makeup print, so instead I'm gonna sing you guys a song to keep you occupied. Ready? Doobie 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 berry. Oh, that sucks. Where is anything? I guess it makes sense. I did paint my face white, didn't I? I don't like this. That's a bad one. Let's at least get the nightmare fuel. Why do I always do this? Okay, I'm gonna go hop in the shower. Guys, let's hope that I can get this out of my hair. This took me an hour, but I am mostly clean. Well, hey, what's up, you guys? Guess what time it is? Milady? Well, yes, of course, it is time to take this off again. I almost poked myself in the eye. Let's take the hand off first. Oh, it ripped. And the last one. This entire side of my face is covered in liquid latex, so this is not gonna be fun. I'm like scared to start. Oh, ow, 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 oh, it's in my hair. Oh, maybe, give me a second. Maybe I need to do it fast. No, Kidding, it doesn't hurt at all. I'm lying to you guys. Hey, but it came off in one piece. That's kind of cool. The face is nothing compared to the neck. Why did I do this? And listen, there are less painful ways to take off liquid latex, but they just take a while and I am impatient. So the suffering I go through is definitely self-inflicted. Okay, I washed my face and my face is fine, but my neck is so red. Well, hey, what's up, you guys? Guess what time it is? Well, yes, of course, it is time to take this off again. This took longer than I had planned because the parasites in me told me to turn it into a full costume, which I did. And now I'm overheating and I want to have breakfast. Okay, I think I want to start unwrapping my head if I can find an edge. All of these are tucked into other pieces. Okay, found one. This one should be easier. Oh my gosh, I can see with my other eye now. Not gonna lie, that felt like unwrapping a Christmas present if it was bad. Now let's take off the latex. Let's peel. Does this look even need nightmare fuel? Yikes. Okay, my full body is covered in paint and I do need to go shower. Well, hey, what's up, you guys? Guess what time it is? Well, yes, it is time to take this off again. I'm calling this look Y2 Killed. I did have to use wax for this look and I despise wearing wax. The application sucks and the removal sucks, but I did cover my face with latex, so hopefully that's gonna make the removal easier. Okay, should we start with a small one? My cats are going crazy. Oh, I hate wax. I hate wax. Help. Help. Well, the latex didn't really help, did it? Taking off wax is not satisfying, it's sticky. I'm gonna take this off and no safety pins are gonna stab me in the eye. I'm manifesting. The latex is helping a little bit, but not a lot. But I'll take any help I can get. I genuinely will never understand how some MUAs only use wax. Like, to describe how it feels sticky and greasy at the same time. Oh, I'm getting stabbed right here. Wait, ow, 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 ow. I forgot to remove my contact, but my hands are sticky now. I don't know what. Get out. Yeah. Success. Success. I'm gonna try washing my face, see if the wax comes off, which I know it won't. Well, hey, what's up, you guys? Guess what time it is? It is time to take this off again, and this is gonna be a speed run. Ew. I have to be on a Zoom call in exactly 30 minutes, and it usually takes me well longer than 30 minutes to wash all of this off, so... You can feel the panic settling in. Everything's going on the floor. I'm gonna have to just clean it up later. Whoop. Gotta do the contacts. Maybe I should have washed my hands before doing this. Come on. There you go. Oop. The lights are pissing me off. Let me turn them off. Ooh, there's a spoiler in the back. Okay, I want to do a makeup print. I think I can. I think I have time. I hope. This is just gonna have to be a really quick one. I don't have time. I'm taking it off. Okay, that's solid. That's not bad at all. That's a makeup print. Let's go. Let's go, brothers. We're so up. I would never leave you guys without the nightmare fuel. I really can't show up to a Zoom call looking like this, so I'm gonna go wash my face. Okay, it is now 12:55, so I'm gonna go hop on that Zoom meeting. Well, hey, what's up, you guys? Guess what time it is? Naturally, it is time to take this off again. I can't see because I have contacts on. And I also got my nails done yesterday, and I don't know how to take my contacts out with these nails. But here's what I am gonna do. I'm gonna use my knuckle. Is that what that part of the hand is called? And I'm gonna keep shoving it in the corner. I'm gonna stab myself in the eye. No, that does not feel good. There it goes. Oh! I'm so smart. My eye is so red now. Let's see if I can repeat this on the other side. I'm such a big brain. Guys, I'm genius. I have been waiting to take this tube out. Oh my god. Oh, that feels good. Do we think this look deserves a makeup print? I'm gonna do one just for the off chance it will turn out well. I think I'm done. I was expecting it to be worse. It's not the worst makeup print I've had. It's not the best. It's not the worst. Okay. Naturally, we need the nightmare fuel. Where is the nightmare fuel? This is fine. I'm still gonna go wash my face. All clean. Well, hey, what's up, you guys? Guess what time it is? Yes, it is time to take this off again. Obviously, there's no prosthetics on my face, so I'm probably just gonna end up doing a makeup print. Ooh. I'm gonna take my wig off, so bear with me while I look insane. My light just fell on my table and almost knocked over a full cup of water. Speaking of water, I'm gonna very lightly spray my face. That's good. It's just gonna help the makeup transfer better. Okay, let's go for it. We're going to take my lash off. Oh my god, let's go! This is what I'm talking about. There's some wrinkles, but overall, success. I love the chest piece, but it's too big for any makeup wipe, so eh. But it is time for the nightmare fuel. Wait, first. This is so sad. I look like the moon emoji again. But I think I'm gonna need to take the rest of this off in the shower. Well, hey, what's up, you guys? Guess what time it is? Well, yes, of course, it is time to take this off again. My entire face is covered in latex, so this should be really satisfying for you. It's gonna be painful for me, but you know. I already took my contacts out, so let's dig in. I think I'm gonna start with the mouth. Okay, maybe I won't. Why is it like glued shut to my face? Maybe let's start here. God, is it gonna come off in one piece? Ow, 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 ow. Is it ripping my eyebrow hair out? Oh my god, it's ripping my eyebrow hair out. Wait, I'll leave that piece for later. Please let me have my eyebrows, please, please, please. Okay, I think I'm safe. And this is her. She's going in the trash. The teeth look crazy though. Of course, I gotta give you the nightmare fuel. I inhaled the water. Oh boy, I look insane. And why did I do that? I'm gonna go shower. I love you guys. Happy Halloween. Okay, I love this look, but I need to take it off. Oh, okay. Let's start by taking these things off. This is not a good way to do this. Owie. Trying to not stab myself in the eye with my nail. Ow. Oh, nice. The lash comes off too. And I'm gonna do a makeup print. I can't breathe. Ooh. Stop, it's actually kind of cute. There's a patch missing in the lipstick. Okay, I'm gonna go wash my face. I love being a mossy queen, but also I really don't like being that. So I'm gonna take this off. Oh. I used lash glue instead of latex, so I don't think there's a satisfying way to do this other than just... Last time I was using moss for a makeup look, I accidentally bought real moss and then I had to stick real moss to my face. But this time I bought the correct actual fake moss. Feels a lot better on my face than the real one did. The real one did not feel good on my face. It's breaking though. Also, one of my nails fell off. Isn't that tragic? Come on. I'm trying so hard to get like a satisfying peel, but it's literally impossible with the duo lash glue. It works really well though, but just not fun to take off. The makeup looks extra moldy now that I took the moss off. And I can't leave you guys without the nightmare fuel. I gotta look like Shrek. My face is stained green. That's great. I'll see y'all tomorrow. Brothers, guess what time it is? It is time to take this off again. Did you miss it? Did you miss it? This thing is glued to my neck and it hurts every time I move, so I just wanna... Owie. I forgot how painful removing latex is. Maybe I'll just stay like this for the rest of my life. Okay, no, I gotta... No. I procrastinated long enough. No, I can't do it. Okay, 1, 2, 3. No, it's not coming off. Okay, wait. 1, 2, 3. Help. How hard did I glue this on? Okay, I got a better grip now. 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna rip my face off at this rate. Maybe I should start from the top. Okay, the ears should be easy. 1, 2, 3. Ooh. Okay, going fast didn't work. I'm gonna go slow. Maybe give you some ASMR here. Okay, slow, slow, slow. It hurts so bad. 1, 2, 3. I got this, I got this. Help. Ooh. So close, so close. Is it in my hair? It's in my hair. What's on my face? What is that? How long did I have a filter on? I didn't realize that was happening. This is cute though. And of course, I can't leave you without the nightmare fuel. I'm inhaling this water. Stop, stop. I don't know how this step always ends up looking scarier than the original makeup. But I might need to go shower. I'll check back in. All clean now. I'm going to sleep. Bye.